Pinpoint Weather Report is sponsored by Anderson Plumbing, Heating and Air. Nobody wows clients like we do.
I'm Moses Small in the ABC 10 News Pinpoint Weather Center. Of course, we're feeling the heat here at home, but we are very far from alone. If you take a look at those watches and warnings, there are more than 227 million people around the country with some type of heat alert. And so that is 2 out of 3 people living in the United States. So of course, we're feeling our fair share of heat here at home. We still have that excessive heat warning for the desert, heat advisory for those inland neighborhoods and the mountains. Those are going to run all the way until 7 p.m. And if you take a look at those current temperatures, you'll notice that we're still, as you might expect, very hot unless you're along the coast. San Diego feels great right now, 74 degrees, much cooler in Del Mar and La Jolla by a couple degrees. Oceanside and Carlsbad 75, but you get away from the water a little bit, you start seeing your 80s. There's Escondido and Poway. You start seeing Ramona 94 degrees, El Cajon 84, and into the desert still seeing temperatures as hot as 115 degrees. But you might be surprised to know it's actually a pretty significant cool down from what we saw just yesterday. Escondido and Poway, for instance, and El Cajon, 11 degrees cooler than those temperatures 24 hours ago. Seeing a cool down along the coast, anywhere between 1 to 5 degrees. And so today isn't quite as brutal as yesterday, but we're still going to see an extremely warm evening. San Diego is going to eventually settle in those mid to upper 60s. We're going to watch that marine layer bring us back a little bit of cloud coverage. Expect some patchy fog overnight. You'll want to keep an eye on that if you're driving anywhere. And for those inland neighborhoods, we're also going to eventually dip into the 60s. And that is all before another very, very warm day tomorrow. San Diego reaching up to 75 degrees. Inland a high of 90, although some spots like Ramona will be a few degrees warmer than that. Into the mountains, we see our first chance this week of seeing some thunderstorms. And into the desert, a high of 114 degrees. So what's happening here is that this ridge of high pressure that acts like a big dome of hot air is going to stick around a little bit. It's also going to usher in some low-level moisture. So we're going to see that monsoonal moisture pattern kick in a couple days. That's why you'll notice in San Diego, the good thing is, well, we won't be quite as hot in a few days, but we still are going to have a chance of some showers and some storms even here along the coast. For those inland neighborhoods, they're finally going to get out of the 90s on Monday. That's when we're going to start to see a real cool down that we've been waiting for, but it won't exactly be dry. Now into the mountains, that's where we have the largest chance of storms. It starts up tomorrow and keeps going for a few days. And if you take a look at how much rainfall we could get, the most areas are looking at well under ½ an inch. Looking at like the coastline, inland neighborhoods, probably won't get that much. But most of that rainfall is coming Monday, that we could see some of those mountain communities reach up to more than ½ an inch. And into the desert, finally we can see the cool down there. A few days that are below 110 degrees.